optimal special cars. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Crane Resort, a true gem nestled on the pristine shores of Barbados. As the oldest continuously operating hotel in the Caribbean, this 5-star luxury resort has been captivating guests since 1887 with its unique blend of historic charm and modern opulence. So grab your virtual sunscreen and let's dive into what makes the Crane Resort a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a slice of paradise. Let's start by exploring the accommodations at the Crane Resort, where history and luxury intertwine to create a truly unforgettable stay. The resort offers a diverse range of room types to suit every taste and need. For those who want to immerse themselves in the property's rich heritage, the historic rooms located within the original marine villa are a perfect choice. These intimate spaces feature antique furniture and coral stone walls, transporting guests back to a bygone era of Caribbean elegance. But don't worry, you won't be sacrificing modern comforts for nostalgia. All rooms come equipped with air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and flat-screen TVs. If you're looking for something a bit more spacious and contemporary, the Residences by the Sea might be right up your alley. These larger suites boast private plunge pools and elegant interiors that seamlessly blend classic design with modern amenities. Imagine sipping a refreshing cocktail while lounging in your own pool, overlooking the stunning Atlantic Ocean. Now that's what we call vacation goals. For those seeking ultimate privacy and luxury, the Residences in the park offer upscale apartments set amid lush landscape gardens. And if you're planning an extended stay or simply want the creme de la creme of accommodations, the private Residences provide contemporary suites with light wood decor, coastal accents, and even underground parking. Talk about living the high life. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: food and drinks. The Crane Resort doesn't disappoint when it comes to satisfying your culinary cravings. With 4 restaurants and multiple bars, you'll never go hungry or thirsty during your stay. One standout venue is the Carriage House Bar and Grill, a poolside bar located within a former stable building. Here, you can enjoy casual bites and refreshing cocktails while taking in breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a day of sun-soaking and beach lounging. But that's just the tip of the culinary iceberg. The resort's other dining venues offer a diverse range of cuisines, from local Barbadian specialties to international dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Whether you're in the mood for a romantic dinner under the stars, a family-friendly meal, or a quick snack between activities, the Crane Resort has got you covered. And let's not forget about the bars, because what's a Caribbean vacation without a fruity cocktail or two? With multiple watering holes scattered throughout the property, you're never far from your next tropical libation. Just remember to pace yourself. We don't want you mistaking a lounge chair for a sea turtle. Speaking of lounging, let's dive into the resort's pool and beach facilities. The Crane Resort boasts not 1, not 2, but 5 swimming pools spread throughout the property. From infinity pools that seem to merge with the horizon to family-friendly options for splashing around with the kids, there's a perfect pool for every mood and occasion. And while we don't have the exact dimensions apparently, the resort likes to keep a little mystery. We can assure you that there's plenty of space for everyone to make a splash. But the real star of the show is Crane Beach, a stretch of pristine white sand that's consistently ranked as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. This slice of paradise is just steps away from the resort, offering guests easy access to sun, sand, and surf. The hotel provides loungers and umbrellas for your beachside comfort. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can try your hand at water sports like snorkeling and kayaking. Just be careful not to get too carried away. We don't want you paddling all the way to Venezuela. For those who like to stay active on vacation, we see you, gym rats. The Crane Resort has got you covered. The fitness center, located in the heart of the Crane Village complex, is equipped with all the standard gym equipment you need to keep up with your workout routine. Whether you're into cardio or strength training, you'll find everything you need to burn off those extra pina coladas. And while we can't confirm if they offer group classes or personal training, it's worth asking at the front desk. Who knows, you might end up leading a beachside yoga session. Now let's talk about pampering, because what's a luxury resort without a little indulgence? The Crane Resort's Day Spa offers a variety of treatments to help you relax and rejuvenate. From soothing massages to rejuvenating facials, you'll find plenty of options to melt away your stress and emerge feeling like a new person. While we don't have the specifics on their signature treatments, apparently they like to keep some secrets, we're pretty sure they involve lots of oohs and ahs. The spa operates daily during normal business hours, so you can easily squeeze in a treatment between your beach naps and cocktail sipping. Just remember to book ahead. You don't want to miss out on your chance to be pampered like royalty. For those traveling with little ones, the Crane Resort has plenty to keep the kiddos entertained. The Kids Club, located within the Crane Village, offers supervised activities during daytime hours. This means you can enjoy some adult time while the kids make new friends and create lasting memories. From arts and crafts to beach games, there's no shortage of fun to be had. And let's be honest, sometimes the best vacation souvenir is a child who's too tired to argue about bedtime. When it comes to nearby attractions, the Crane Resort's location puts you in the perfect spot to explore the best of Barbados. Within about a 20 kilometers radius, you'll find a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Take a trip to Bridgetown, the island's capital, located just 15 kilometers away. Here, you can immerse yourself in local culture, shop for souvenirs, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this historic city. For nature lovers, Harrison's Cave is a must-visit destination. Located about 18 kilometers from the resort, this crystallized limestone cavern offers a fascinating underground adventure. And if you're up for a scenic drive, the Animal Flower Cave is just 10 kilometers away, offering stunning views of the rugged coastline and the opportunity to swim in natural rock pools. Just remember to bring your camera. These are Instagram moments you won't want to miss. Now let's talk about what really sets the Crane Resort apart from other Caribbean destinations. First and foremost, its rich history as the oldest continuously operating hotel in the Caribbean gives it a unique charm that you simply can't find elsewhere. The blend of Victorian-era buildings and modern amenities creates a one-of-a-kind atmosphere that feels both timeless and contemporary. It's like stepping into a living postcard of Caribbean elegance. But the Crane Resort isn't just resting on its historic laurels. The property has undergone significant developments over the years, including the addition of luxury residential suites and modern amenities like underground parking. This commitment to evolution, while preserving its heritage, ensures that guests can enjoy the best of both worlds. Classic Caribbean charm with all the comforts of a modern luxury resort. Another standout feature is the sheer size of the property. Spanning 40 acres of oceanfront land, the Crane Resort offers a sense of space and privacy that's hard to come by in many other resorts. Whether you're lounging by one of the 5 pools, strolling along Crane Beach, or enjoying a meal at one of the restaurants, you never feel crowded or rushed. It's your own little slice of Caribbean paradise. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.